Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave and Abby. This is GVA, Ghettovanadventures. I'm going to show you how to make the best washer fluid, and it's stuff that I use all the time. Sometimes I get into minus 30, minus 40 or more temperatures, and stuff that's rated for that doesn't seem to cut it. My mix does, and you don't really use that much washer fluid, and it works really well. Let me show you how to do it. Now, here's the mixture, guys. It's washer fluid, alcohol, 99% alcohol, and just a little bit of Dawn. I like Dawn because it takes away grease and grime. The alcohol I picked up, I think it was the dollar store for $1, and that washer fluid I got, it was minus 35, and it was on sale for $1.99. So this is how I mix it up. Okay, so I always keep a spare container to do this. I poured some of the new one into the old container. That way I can add everything in there. So I add about maybe a teaspoon of Dawn. That's Dawn dish soap. So I added that in, and now comes the 99% alcohol. Now this is going to be tricky. Filming and pouring is not my forte. So I add the whole thing right in. Now I put what I took out back in and top it up to maybe about there. Now give it a good shake to get all the soap dissolved. There you go, guys. All done. You got a little left over in your spare bottle, and you just keep adding to it, and you can save this one. And you got a potent mix that will take garbage off your windshield and work even when it's downright cold. Guys, I hope this helps you out and gives you some better visibility, because I find some of the stuff that is out today doesn't go down in temperature like it says it does. This stuff really works good, and I've been using this mix for years in the winter. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.